Alright, David Ken here with another question from the question bank in the style of what you find in your Hayes & Harris Math SL textbook in Chapter 2E.2. In this question we're dealing with arithmetic series, or sums of arithmetic sequences. So we want to find the sum of this sequence, 3, 9, 15, all the way up to 1,353. So if we want the sum of an arithmetic sequence, that is the number of terms in the sequence times the average value of those terms. So that's the first term and the last term over 2. All right, so what do we know? We know the first term. It's 3. We also know the common difference is 6. The difference between 3 and 9 is 6. The difference between 9 and 15 is 6. And since we're told that it's an arithmetic sequence, then we know that we have a common difference. So plus 6 plus 6. So the common difference is 6. We now need to use this information to find which term is the last term, because we need to know how many terms there are in this sequence. So we'll go to the arithmetic sequence, which is the general term is the first term plus the common difference times and take 1. Now I know that the term that I'm looking for is 1,353. I know the first term is 3. I know the common difference is 6. All I want to know is which term is u of n. What's the value of n? So we can just solve this for n. We'll subtract 3. And then divide by 6. 1,350 divided by 6 is 225. Finally, we'll add 1 to the other side, 226th term. So this is the 226th term. So what we want to solve then is the sum of the first 226 terms. That's 226 terms times the average value, which is the first term plus the last term over 2. 3 plus 1353 is 1356. Divide that by 2 is 768. 768 multiplied by 226 is 153,228. So that's the sum of all of the terms in the sequence 3, 9, 15, yada yada yada, all the way up to 1,353.